do is let go, let go. You'll find the breath starts to breathe more, a diaphragmatic breath from the navel sucking back and the tummy relaxing. And then through the body will relax different areas for different people at different times. This will guide you from inside, tune you into the inner world of feeling, sensation and breath and letting go. We've been here 20 years at this studio, this beautiful studio, and so many great students have come through over that period of time. To celebrate our time here, on the 21st of July, we'll be having a bench workshop. So I'd love to have your company. Such a wonderful process of benches, letting go and learning how to breathe and relax and tune into the inner world of yoga. We'll also be having a lovely meal by the Hare Krishnas. Get together here, which will be fabulous. Satsang in the company of the truth. Thank you very much. Enjoy.